Doug Thompson here, and I was asked to replicate this case light. It's got some interesting offsets and some interesting texture. So I've got a piece of 3/16 by half, and I'm going to texture it first, and then I'll put it in a form die that I made for the press, and I'm going to go ahead and I'll make all these kind of offsets in the bar. Four sides of this lamp had this detail, this feature. I had to start with 8x2 flat bar. I had to spend a fair amount of time figuring out the tooling to produce these impressions, because there were bars that went inserted into these depressions. So I started out with a piece of heavy flat bar, both sides. I'm going to use the press brake to do this move. I'll heat the material up, and I had to figure out the layout for these kind of offset piece of angle iron. This piece is on top, and it will fit into the lower portion such that when I press this material down hot, I'm going to get the impressions in one fell swoop. So you can kind of see how I've got clearances for the material, and then I press down like this, and in one press I'm going to be able to produce that part.